Hello guys, welcome again to the ISB PGP YL application walkthrough, and today we are taking up the professional experience section of your ISB PGP YL application. Okay, so while a lot of you might not have professional experience as of now, what all can you add in this section? You can add about your internships, your part-time jobs, any other employment that you have held as a student, or any other trainings that you have completed as a part of your degree. So this section will be useful for you to put together all of your details regarding your internships, your trainings, your part-time jobs, or any other full-time job that you have had or you have just recently started. Because the PGP while work experience limit is 24 months, so of course your work experience will be limited, but do feel free to add other things that you have to talk about, which will add up to your professional experience and your professional expertise. And always do that in the chronologically backwards order. Your current work profile will be taken up till 15th of June 2025. So the from date can be added by you, whereas the cutoff date for your current work experience will be June 15, 2025 in this particular section. Now, what other things do you need to take care of while you're adding the professional experience section in the ISB PGP YL application form are as follows. So make sure there is no overlapping of your full-time activities, your part-time activities, as well as internships and full-time studies cannot overlap. If you are studying at that same point in time and you have in your education section shown that you are continuing with that degree, then your any other work experience during that particular degree or during that duration while you were pursuing your degree will be entered as part-time. So second is, let's say you are working with multiple organizations or you have multiple concurrent roles. In that case, mark one as full-time and the other as part-time. Again, there should be no overlap in that particular case as well. So let's say you have multiple part-time jobs and your combined part-time work exceeds 40 hours per week. In that case, what do you do? In that case, you can mark one position as full-time and list the others as part-time. So you should be able to justify your choice of doing that, but this is how you can add it in the application form. So if for the medical professionals, your 1 year of mandatory internship will count towards your full-time work experience. So you can add it as the full-time work experience in this particular section. For chartered accountants, however, the 3-year articleship is a mandatory period for your professional qualification. ISB PGP YL application form, this has to be entered as part-time and it will not count towards your full-time professional work experience calculation. Because you are submitting a resume alongside your application form, if you go to the upload section, there is a resume format that you have to submit. There's not a lot of detail that you need to enter over here, but make sure just the details which are entered over here in the order that you are entering it and the preference of part-time and full-time that you're selecting, it should be consistent with your resume. Second is the time and the start time and the from and to dates should be very consistent as well with your resume. And make sure that you are putting up the relevant descriptions in the resume for your quantifiable achievements for any of the job roles or any of the internships or trainings that you have added in the professional experiences section. So this is all about the ISB PGP YL application, the professional experiences section. In case you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. And also, in case you need help with your ISB PGP YL essays or your interview prep, you can always reach out to GOALisB. So all the best.